Okay, so in 2.3, we worked with set operations and event diagrams with two sets. So now the only difference is we're going to work with three sets. And so I have written the universal set already, right? The first 9 natural numbers. And I wrote 3 subsets, right? A, B, and C. And the following, let me go ahead and write that down. So we want to find, this is going to be part A. And we have A, and it's going to be unioned with B intersection C. Okay, so you want to figure out what that set consists of, what elements are in that set, if there are any elements. So again, in the last section, we talked about finding, right, the intersection of two sets, right, or the union of, two sets. So here you want to work with what's in parentheses first, right? So this is, maybe write it in pink, right? The B union C, right? That's in parentheses first, so we want to do that first. Well, we can just write, I guess I can do it in pink. Yeah, do it in pink. Okay, so what's the intersection of B and C? Well, we look at B, set B, and C, and what do they have in common? It looks like they have a 2 in common, a 3 in common, and a 6 in common. So I know that this set consists of 2, 3, and 6. Okay, so we know its cardinality is just 3. Okay, so now that we know what this set looks like, then we want to know what, well, this is, again, I'm referring to this. So A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And unioned with my new set that I generated, all right, by finding the intersection. And again, I want you to write these sets out, okay? Again, most students have questions and they're not, they're missing an element, and it's because they're trying to just look at the sets. And that's fine if you have some experience with it, but if this is your first time seeing set theory, I encourage you to write out the sets. So then finally, right, what is the union of these guys? And I'm going to just go ahead and write A union B intersection C, right? Because that's eventually what we have. And that is going to be, well, we first write the first set, right, from the last section. And then we add anything that doesn't repeat. Okay, so 2 is already here. 3 is already here. Okay, 6 is not here, so I know I can add 6. So my set is basically the natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so this is how I want you to write it. Okay, and notice there's 2 steps, right? Again, if you like steps, right? Step 1, right? The inside part. And then, step 2, of course, is this guy unioned with what you just found. Okay, so I'll go ahead and do part B, or another finding set, finding a set given 3 sets in the next example.